popular gear Monte Carlos. Take a look at this one. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This particular car originated out of Oklahoma. Spent much of its life in Texas. Now it has had some restoration work done to it, engine work. As far as underneath the hood, 454 big block, casting numbers 14015445. There's an envelope folder of receipts that will go with this, and some of those receipts had 427 on them, so we dug a little bit further. We come up with 454 big block, and again that casting number, if you want to check it out, 14015445. And again, envelope of receipts that will go with this. There's also dyno sheets on it. The dyno sheets, there was a few of them when it did some different pulls, and they were basically anywhere in that mid 440 horse range, and then similar torque. And as you can see, the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds, let you get a good look at those. Now if you want to check out the still picture so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Automatic transmission paired up with that 440. And the tranny was rebuilt in 2019. It also has 355 rear gears, and I'll talk to you about some of the service work that was recently done here just in a bit too. As you can see, red paint shows well. Can you find some of these little touch-ups like right here and blemishes in the paint? Yes. But does it still have a nice shine to it? Nice look? Absolutely. Nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will get some attention. It sounds good. We're going to fire it up here just shortly so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Bucket seats, horseshoe shifter. Aftermarket tack down in the center console and some extra gauges, aftermarket stereo. We'll get around to that here in just a bit. A little texture to the top right there. Believed to have had a vinyl top when it was new. Now it is painted. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll touch up back here by the keyhole. All right, previous owner of this did do some service work to it. FYI, transpan gasket was replaced, ball joints, lower control arm bushing, sway bar link kit. And that was just recently done within the last couple of years. And again, then there's a whole nother folder or envelope of receipts that will go with it also that were done from before. And like I mentioned, tranny was rebuilt in 2019. Also rack and pinion bearings, I know. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. Take a peek at that. Of course, riding on the Keystones. Great look from there on these cars. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer peek at this interior. And we'll start it up. Let's hear it run also. Door panels. Look like those definitely could be original. Believed to be a gray car to begin with also, and has had a repaint. Again, buckets. And a two-tone with black vinyl. If you want a different color interior, very easy car to have the seats recovered in, front and rear. Always drive it like the way it is and have some fun. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Here it running, it's a little cold-blooded, so we're gonna let it warm up just a little bit. FYI, wipers do work. Aftermarket AM FM 8-track, and that does also work. Alright, I did have it run a little bit ago because I wanted to kind of warm it up a little bit. Like I said, kind of cold-blooded. I want it to idle for you. See if the tack works. Very responsive throttle on this. Alright, slip around back in here, the run. You can tell you got a built big block in here, no doubt about that. Again, 454, built big block according to the casting number. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check that engine bay out, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Quick pop, check out the engine bay. Good power steering, power brakes. As you can see, headers, HDI ignition back there. Original factory AC vehicle. Obviously all the components aren't still there. Looks we got a little cam to it. And again, there is that folder of receipts. 454 big block according to the casting number. Paired up with automatic transmission. Give us a call. This one's probably not going to last long. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in or email.